Welcome back to DC Reviews. Today we have a new camera setup. We have the GoPro on my head. So let me know what you think about this setup compared to the one I was using before. I chose to use this setup because today we're going to do a unboxing and setup of this headphones stand from Woo Audio. So they're a high-end audio company out of New York City. They make amplifiers, headphone stands, but they're mainly known for their tube amps. So let's open her up. Alright, so plain regular box. You have nice styrofoam to protect the stand. So this is the base, some hardware, and this is the top where the headphone will rest. Alright, so very nice box with good protection. Let's get rid of this. So this is what you get. Retail value is $89 for the double-sided stand. If you get the single-sided stand, it's $79. Alright, so there's no instructions. I think you just have to, there's 5 pieces, so it shouldn't be that hard. But we'll see. Alright, so this is the top of it. Solid aluminum. Looks good. This is the base. It says Woo Audio right here. And the bottom is foam. Aluminum rod. And this is adjustable in height. So some so some headphones will have some headphones are taller, some are shorter. So depending on what you have, oh God. So depending on what you, oh, I get it. Depending on if your headphone is like a very long or has a cable that won't detach, you can use the headphone, or you can adjust the height so that the headphone will, the right height for your headphone pretty much. Right. So then it looks like you put you screw this in. Stick it on. And then you just put the adjustment screw in to your desired height. And you screw it in. It's easy. There it is. It's pretty it's very, not very heavy, but it's pretty heavy, nice and hefty. You're not gonna have to worry about dropping your headphones anywhere. All right, let's test it out. Have a pair of Sennheisers. The HD58X. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys are seeing this. All right. So the lower setting right there, it fits fine. You can wrap the wires around like this, or you can put another headphone on. So maybe do a little something like this. Or just wrap it around at the bottom. And you can put another pair of headphones on this side. So, pretty neat purchase. Probably one of the top most popular high-end headphone stands, and I do recommend it. There's a few flaws in the finish, like this very edge has a slight, see some shiny silver to it, but overall pretty good. I like it. All right, I'll see you next time. Thank you.